You know, writing is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be energizing. And I don't know why, but a lot of times writing curriculums have actually made a lot of children feel really bored and tired, and they don't like to write anymore. And that used to be me as a kid. If we just make writing so purposeful, where kids end up publishing their books on Amazon, where they are a published author and they get to sell their books with a barcode and make money, then writing becomes suddenly the fun, coolest thing ever to do. And that's what I want all kids to experience. So I have officially launched an online self-publishing course just for kids, where I am teaching every single lesson in a video, just like the child would be with me during classes. And they will follow along and be able to go from a story idea all the way to a published book. I've done it in just 36 videos. You can use the videos like a choose your own adventure, where the kid can skip certain videos that they don't need to watch, or they can watch them all in one sitting. So it's very flexible for children. This is awesome for kids with different gifted abilities or neurodivergent abilities, where they want to go at their own pace. This is it. So if you've got a writing curriculum that feels very lockstep and that child is super bored, or you're just not able to get that student to be able to reach their writing potential, this course is going to change that and say, no more worksheets. Let's get you to become a published author. This is also perfect for kids who love to illustrate, who have very imaginative minds, and they're just really bored writing a story on a sheet of lined paper. They want to really go all out with their story, and then teach them about business and entrepreneurship by having them make a profit with their books. This online course is so exciting for me because I've been able to work one-on-one with kids locally, but I've not been able to help all the families, all the teachers who have kids who are so talented in other places. But I want you to be able to have that chance now. So you have that chance now where you can watch my video lessons on the computer. The kids can go step by step. They can design it, and there's even videos for you as the adult to teach you how to load these books onto Amazon KDP and get them published. If this sounds interesting to you, then I want you to go to our website, alltherightcolors.com, and check out more information about it and see if this is a good fit. You can also take a look at my other videos I've made on my YouTube channel at All the Right Colors, or check out what our kids are doing on Facebook and Instagram at All the Right Colors. I'm so excited to have this opportunity because, most importantly, kids love reading books by kids because they understand each other's humor. So why not increase the number of books out there for kids, written by kids? And that could be a kid that you know. So let's join this movement and let's get kids publishing, and let's kind of set aside the lockstep writing curriculums that might be too boring for a child that you know.